We're proud to introduce IP Video System Design Tool 2026, our most powerful and professional release to date. The key highlight of the 2026 version is a completely redesigned AutoCAD export. You can now export your project to DWG format with a clean, structured, layered layout. Camera coverage zones are accurately trimmed, clean, and ready for further work in AutoCAD. This saves time, reduces manual adjustments, and makes technical documentation much clearer and more professional. The 2026 version introduces new customizable 3D models to help you create more realistic project layouts. New models include bookcase, stacks, shelves. These objects allow you to better represent real-world environments and visually plan camera placement. For logistics and warehouse scenarios, a new 3D model has been added, pallet, a useful addition for industrial sites, warehouses, and distribution centers. IP Video System Design Tool 2026 also expands support for port and waterfront projects. New 3D models include Sailboat, Yacht. These models are ideal for designing surveillance systems in harbors, marinas, and coastal areas. Performance has been optimized across the application. Projects now load faster, feel more responsive, and handle more elements with ease. This makes everyday work smoother and easier. The software is compatible with Apple Silicon M-Series processors when running on Parallels Desktop for Mac. The built-in camera database includes over 21,000 camera models as of January 2026. This ensures up-to-date specifications, accurate simulations, and reliable design decisions. IP Video System Design Tool 2026 is a practical, powerful solution for anyone involved in video surveillance design. Download the free demo version from our website and explore the new features today.